Hi friends, are you ready for a fun ride? Let's explore the world of transportation, all the ways we move from here to there. Look, here come the land vehicles. Cars go vroom, buses take lots of people to school. Bicycles are fun to ride with helmets. And choo-choo trains ride on tracks. Up in the sky, these are air vehicles. Airplanes fly fast and take us to faraway places. Helicopters go up, down, and all around with their spinning blades. Now, let's go to the water. Boats and ships float on top of the ocean. Submarines dive under the water to explore the deep sea.
Let's go, go, go. Let's go, go, go. Come along and sing with me. Let's go, 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 go. The cars on the road go vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The cars on the road go vroom, vroom, vroom. All around the town. The buses in the street go beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The buses in the street go beep, beep, beep. All around the town. The planes in the sky go zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The planes in the sky go zoom, zoom, zoom. Up above the clouds. The boats in the sea go splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. The boats in the sea go splash, splash, splash. Rocking on the waves. The bikes on the path go ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. The bikes on the path go ring, ring, ring. Pedaling along.
Wow, you've learned so much today. Cars, boats, planes, and trains. They all help us go from place to place. Which one is your favorite? Let us know below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Breeding Stars TV for more fun learning adventures.